Students, today we will discuss chapter 3 fractions. There is first mathematical reasoning type questions. See question number 1. Which of the following shows 1/3 part shaded? So 1/3 part shaded means there will be in the figure 3 parts and 1 is shaded. So option B is correct here. Next, question number 2. Which of the following presents the fraction of green capsicum? First, count the total number of capsicum. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 red capsicum, 5 green capsicum, and 3 yellow capsicum. So total 18 capsicum are there. Five by 16, 5 out of 16. Pass to the question number 3. Which of the following statement is correct about the given figure? Here is a figure given and it is divided equally 8 parts. Now you have to say which one is correct. Number A, whole is divided into 8 equal parts. Yes, this is correct. This one is correct. Number B, shaded fraction equal to 2 by 8. Yes, there are 2 shaded part out of 8. So shaded fraction equal to 2 by 8. This is also correct. C, unshaded fraction is 6 by 8. Total 8 parts, 2 shaded, so 6 unshaded. So unshaded fraction is 6 by 8 is correct. So all the options are correct. Here D is the correct answer. Pass to the question number 4. Which of the following sets of fractions are arranged in descending order? Descending order means larger to smaller number. And see the fractions in every group, the fractions are like. The denominators of every group of fractions are same. So we will compare from their numerator. They should be in descending order. See which one is correct option. Here is 1, 2, 3, 7, 9 ascending. Number B option 10, 7, 3, 2, 1. This is the descending order way. C number neither descending nor ascending. D number also. So option B is correct here. Now pass to the least shaded fraction. Number A, how many parts are count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total parts. 1 is shaded. So this is 1 by 6. A number is 1 by 6. This is 1 by 6. B number, it is also 6 total parts and 3 is shaded. So this is 3 by 6. C number, total 6 part 2 is shaded. So this is 2 by 6. And D number 6 out of them 2 is shaded. So 2 by 6. Which one is least? 1 by 6 is the least one. So option A is correct here. Now passing to the question number 6. In the word mathematics, what fraction of letters are consonants? See what are the consonants here? M, T, H, M, T, C, S. These are the consonants. So how many consonants are there and how many total letters are there? Count it. Total letters 11 and out of them consonants is 7. So here the fractional part for consonant is 7 by 11. Now passing to the question number 8. Monica likes all numbers which have 0 at the unit place. That means one place of the digit one place digit of the number numbers having unit digit 100, 10, 70, 60, 90. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 total numbers are there out of total 11 numbers. So this part become 5 by 11. Now pass to the question number 9. What fraction of the given shapes in 3D shapes? 3D shapes, what are the 3D shapes here? Look, this cone is the 3D shape, this is the 3D shape, cylinder, cuboid, 3D shape, pyramid, this is also 3D shape, and this cuboidal, this is also 3D shapes. So how many 3D shapes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3D shapes out of total 9. So the fractional part for 3D shape is 5 by 9. So option C is correct here. Now pass to the question number, this is done, question number 9. Passing to the question number 10. What fraction of the curved lines in the given figure is green? First find out how many curved lines are there. Here is a curved line, circle, here is a circle curved line, and see here is a small circle. So total 3 curved line, and out of 3, now passing to the question number 11. If this figure, total figure, this circular figure with shaded total 4 parts is equal to 1 whole, then 2 whole 1 by 4 is equal to, that means where 2 full picture will be shaded, and in one picture, in one circle, out of 4 part 1 is shaded. So option C is correct here. 2 total circle and 1/4 of the circle is shaded. So option C is correct. Now pass to the, I am leaving this 12, 13 and 14. These are the similar from the previous. Now coming to question number 15. See it here. Which of the following make the given statement true? 5 by 11 and there is a blank space, and then 3 by 11. Which one is fit? Less than or greater than or equal, or can't say. See here, denominators are same. So compare from their numerator. 5 is greater than 3. So this option B is correct here. Now passing to question number 16. If this triangle is equal to 1 whole, this means total whole figure, and then this figure, that means total 1 whole and half of the triangle. So 1 whole 1 by half, that is option A. Now passing to question number 18. Which two figures have equal shaded fractions of the figure? First one, 3 is shaded out of 4, so this become 3 by 4. Second, 2 out of 4, so 2 by 4. Third one is 2 out of 4. Last one is 3 out of 4. So see, 1 and 4 are equal, and 2, 3 are equal in shaded part. So which one option is correct? 1, 4, 2, 3. Option A is correct here. Now passing to the question number 21. 19 and 20 are easy. Passing to question number 21. Here these are taken from everyday mathematics. 21 number question. In a bird cage there are 2 sparrow, this one, and 3 parrots. Rohan has 5 such cages. One cage contains 2 sparrow and 3 parrot. That means total 5 birds. Total 5 birds. Okay. And in one cage, such 5 cages are there. Such 5 cages with Rohan has. Okay. So total 5 into 5, total 25 birds Rohan has. So what fraction of the total number of birds are parrots? Total 25 birds. Out of them, how many parrots? In each cage, so fraction of for parrots is 15 by 25. So this become option number D. Option number D is the correct answer. This D number. Now, pass to the question number 22. In a bus, there are 42 passengers. Out of these, 14 by 42 are women. Total 42 passengers, and the women part of fraction is 14 by 42. That means the number of women is 14. Find the number of men in the bus. So 14 is the number of women. So how many men are there? That is 42 minus 14. This become 28. So 28 men are there. Option B is correct here. Option B is correct here. Now, pass to the next question, 23. A pie was divided into 5 equal parts. Naja ate 1/5 of the pie. Tony ate 2/5 of the pie. Johnny ate 1/5 of the pie. What fraction of the pie was eaten by the children? That means you have to find the total parts that is eaten by the children. So to find the total parts, we will add 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 numerator 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 3 plus 1 4. That is 4 by 5. So our answer become 23 number A. Okay. Now I am leaving this 24 and 25. Hope you can do it yourself. Passing to Achievers section HOTS. Achievers section HOTS type question here. 26 number. Read the following statements carefully and match the column. Vidhi has 60 apples. She gave 1/3 of it to his sister. So I am writing here, sister get 1/3 of 60. That means how many? That we can find dividing 60 by 3. Dividing 60 by 3. That is 20. So sister got 20. Okay. Now, and 1/5 of the remaining. Now how many remains? Total 60 was there apple. 28 his sister. So how many remains now? 60 minus 20, that is 40 remains. Now 1/5 of the remaining to her brother. So her brother ate 1/5 of 40 remaining. That is equal to 40 divided 5, that is 8. Okay. Now you have to her sister, that is 20. We already get this. Number 2. A number 2. B number, the number of apples she gave to her brother. We get that brother get 8. So B number 1. Now C number, the number of apples left with her, that is obviously 32, because 40 minus 8 remaining 32. So which one option is correct here? A number 2, B number 1 and C number 3, that is option C is correct here. Okay, option C is correct. So our correct answer is 26. For 26 is C number. Now passing to question number 27. See it here. If this red box equal to this yellow color picture, and this yellow color picture 2 red box, 1 yellow color picture 1 red box, and this yellow color picture, this is total 1 whole, then express this one as a fraction of whole. See, this yellow color 1 box means 2 yellow color picture. Okay, sorry, 2, each of 2. So this is 1, then 2, 4. Here is also 2 yellow color picture. So how many total yellow color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 whole means total yellow color this picture. And you have to find the fraction of the whole. 1 whole means total 9 we get. Now this box representing 2, that is option B is correct here. Okay, so 27 number answer is B. Passing to 29 number. 28 is easy, you can do it yourself. 29 number. See, select the correct statement. 5 by 26 represent the fraction of vowel in English alphabets. Remember or recall that how many English alphabet you have? Total 26 alphabets, and 5 are vowels, we know, A, E, I, O, U. So what fraction is the English alphabet is of vowel? 5 out of 26. So this one statement is correct one, A. C, let me see the others also correct or not. B number, out of 2 dozen bananas, 12 are rotten. The fraction of not rotten banana is 12 by 24. 2 dozen means 24. 12 are rotten, so 12 are not rotten. So 12 out of 24 is not rotten, is correct. So B number is also correct. C number, 1 by 15, 3 by 15, 8 by 15, 12 by 15, 7 by 15 are in ascending order. Yes, they are ascending order because their denominators are same, and compare from their numerator, the numerators are in ascending order. 1, then 3, 8, 12, 14, 17. So ascending order. So this one is also correct. So our all options are correct. All of this. I am leaving this next question 30, last question for your work. This is also easy. So this was the total topic for today. In next video I will discuss another chapter. Thank you and goodbye.